see we're removing anything so we can make a ledge to come across here with a gutter. Okay, you can see we ran our new ledger plate. We're starting to run the 2x4s across the roof to give us our pitch.
Okay, we gotta scab out the roof, throw in lumber, and then we got about a 1/2 inch pitch per foot. That's pretty good. It's 2 inches per 4 foot. It's a lot of pitch. Just had to build this little valley up in here, and then we're gonna put a K gutter in. Alright. You see we got that flash cut out. Front one was worse. You see how rotted the tin is. So that's the flash right there. We're going to do a new one. We're going to run our rubber right up as high as we can with the rubber. And then all new work can be nailed right on top of the rubber. On the side here with the roof that directs the water right into it, this side's always worse. That's why you gotta run the rubber and flash up.
Okay, you can see we got the platform in place. Everything's been under muck. Now we're sealing underneath where we're going to run our paper. We've also run a bead of muck here where we're going to run our next cap, or our gutter cap. Everything in this area has been touched up.
Okay, get our paper down. Everything under mucked underneath our paper. All the way around. Same thing with our front cap. We got our glue ready to go. And our rubber going down.
Alright, we got the front cap capped off, sealed off, so we can put our gutter across here. You can see we closed off all the old drop hole area. Everything's been under mucked, I showed earlier. We've run the rubber up under the bay. We have the original panel still here, some extra rubber. You can see where the valley runs up there, so the valley will never get into the seam. We still have to run 2 more runs of rubber here, repair the bottom of the bay, make sure everything along all the edges is sealed in, and also install the gutter.
We got our muck down first, we got a layer of fabric, and we got muck on top. That's the way it goes. Over here at the bay, we ran our rubber up as high as possible, right up underneath these sills, and actually there's a metal flash lip. We got underneath, even under that. After this, when the bay gets done, all the product comes down on top of the rubber, and it becomes flashed. Still got to deal with some spots around the sills. The only chance of leaking is right here. But we'll do a sill cap and put the siding back up.
I just want to show how everything came out along here. You can see we've also sealed up this area. That area there we're going to have to also seal up. Everything along the sills has been repaired all the way around. All throughout the edging. Also installation of the gutter. And you can see we're cleaning up, take all the debris with us. You can see we finished up. Gutter's in place. We secured the cap. Contoured that to run straight down. So put a strap on it to keep it secure. We left the end to where she can point it if she chooses.